Here I'm going to show you how to set up automatic exposure bracketing on a Canon 800D. This will let you take 3 photographs, each at a different exposure, when you press the shutter button. Switch the camera on, and with the mode dial, select AV for aperture priority. On the rear left of the camera you'll find the menu button. Press it and the menu appears on screen. Now you need to locate the main dial, which is located on top of the camera just behind the shutter button. With this you can navigate along the menu operations. On the back of the camera on the right, you'll find a set of 4 buttons known as the cross keys, and in the centre, the Set button. By using the right-hand button of the cross keys, select the second page in the shooting settings section, colour-coded red. The first action you come to is AEB. This is the point where you decide how many bracketed shots you require and at which values. Press the Set button and you will enter the AEB setting. By rolling the main dial left or right, you'll be able to adjust the exposure values for your photographs. We recommend a spacing of plus and minus 2, so with the centre marker at 0, roll the main dial until the 2 outer markers both read 2, one on the minus side and the other on the plus side. However, if your centre marker is not at 0, then you can relocate it using the left and right buttons of the cross keys. In effect, what you've chosen are 3 photographs at a 2 EV spacing. 1 photo at 2 stops underexposed, 1 photo exposed normally, and 1 photo 2 stops overexposed. Now that you've made your selection, press the Set button to save it. Press the Menu button to exit the menu. Before you take your photos, press the left-hand cross keys button. Now you enter the Drive mode. Using the right-hand button, select Continuous Shooting mode. This will allow you to take all 3 photographs just by holding your finger on the shutter button. Press the Set button to save it. All you need to do now is to keep the camera still and press and hold down the shutter button until all your photos are taken.